To use visual intelligence in macOS 27, open System Settings on your Apple Silicon Mac and click Siri. If it isn't enabled, then you need to join a waiting list. Once enabled, turn Siri on. Your Mac can now read your screenshots, and screenshot actions let Siri AI extract and summarize text, translate languages, identify products, objects, landmarks, and more. The new Siri AI can even extract dates, times, or contact info and automatically add them to your calendar. To analyze images, hold down Shift plus Command plus 6. Your mouse pointer changes into a crosshair. Drag it over the part of the image you want to get information about. A small pop-out menu will appear with options based on how visual intelligence analyzes the screenshot or the image. I want to ask Siri what is this food called and where is it originally from. I type my question, press enter, and wait for Siri AI to display the answer. This dish is udon, a traditional Japanese noodle made from wheat flour, served here with tempura and a raw egg yolk. To view similar images from Google, click Image Search or click Look Up Nutrition to see the nutritional values. Visual intelligence can also translate text instantly. As before, press Shift plus Command plus 6. Drag the crosshair over the text you want to translate. Then click the Translate button to see the translated text. To extract text from a screenshot, select the area and ask Siri to extract it. Visual intelligence will automatically recognize the text. Then you can copy and paste it directly into Notes, TextEdit, Pages, or any document. If you have an image of a product and want a description, select it and ask Siri to find more details. Type your text, then press Enter on your keyboard. If you decide to add the date or contact information of an upcoming concert or event to your calendar while visiting a website, select the concert poster to get the pop-up options, then click Add to Calendar or Add to Contact. You get a confirmation screen, click Add, then click Done. To summarize the text, as before, select it and click Summarize. To quickly select the frontmost window and open the Visual Intelligence pop-out options at the same time, hold down Shift, Command, and Space. Then ask Siri AI a question. If you are interested in testing macOS 27 Golden Gate beta version, watch this video to learn how to safely install it on a separate volume without affecting your main system. Click on More below this video to access the link. macOS 27 is still in beta. I'll update this tutorial if anything changes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a like. For more Mac tips, tutorials, and free Mac apps, click my profile picture and subscribe. Thanks for watching.